A rare look into the finances of the private crypto company FTX, which saw revenue grow 1,000% last year. Kate Rooney has the latest in her scoop.
Hey, John, that's right. I got a copy of FTX's audited financials from last year. The privately held crypto exchange brought in just over $1 billion in revenue for 2021. That was up more than 1,000% in a year. And as of the first quarter, it was on pace for a similar run rate for 2022, about $1.1 billion. It was also profitable. Operating income was $272 million with 27% margins. Like other exchanges, it is all about those trading fees, and derivatives were by far the biggest revenue driver, with most of that action happening abroad. Less than 5% of revenue came from its U.S. subsidiary. FTX has really made a big push for that U.S. retail audience through marketing, and according to its documents, it spent about 15% of revenue on marketing and ads. It also plans to spend almost $1 billion on that in the next few years. The documents also give us a sense of Sam Bankman-Fried's growing global reach. FTX owns companies in Cyprus, Turkey. It also acquired startups in Switzerland and Australia, which may have been to get certain regulatory licenses. Unclear, though, how the company is holding up in the recent downturn. Shares of Coinbase, which is the only real public comparison, are down 70% year to date. John, back to you.
Kate Rooney, thank you. Beth, do you bet on companies that are involved with crypto, or do you, if you're interested in crypto exposure, just stay with crypto itself?
We like crypto itself. We are believers in Bitcoin. Actually, Bitcoin adoption, wallet adoption has gone up exponentially, similar to FTX. It's grown quite a bit. I'm not quite 1,000%, but if you look at its very hockey stick growth is the best way to put it. Ethereum right now is about to go through its merge to proof of stake. That should happen sometime next month. That's probably the biggest catalyst in Ethereum's history. So we like both of those quite a bit. And then, of course, in addition to FTX, Grayscale had grown their assets under management from about 300 million to 43 billion. It's obviously tapered off quite a bit, but that would be another success story in crypto to point toward.
All right. Well, buyer beware, of course. Many of the cryptos, Bitcoin included, are down more than 60% from their highs. Beth, thank you.